Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use Rent Manager step by step. We'll cover everything from setting up properties and tenants to tracking rent payments, managing leases, and generating reports so you can confidently manage your properties. Rent Manager includes a powerful double-entry accounting system that rivals standalone financial tools. It supports general ledger functions, bank reconciliations, recurring changes, and budgeting. Users can also create financial reports, such as income statements, balance sheets, cash flow summaries, and owner-specific statements, all from within the same platform. By eliminating the need for third-party accounting software, Rent Manager ensures all financial data is integrated with property activity, making reconciliation faster and reducing the risks of errors. Another key feature is the streamlined online rent payments. Tenants can make payments via bank transfer, credit card, or debit card, whether from a desktop, tablet, or mobile device. You can enable auto pay options, track real-time payment status, and automate late fees or payment reminders. Rent Manager's payment processing is PCI compliant and integrates seamlessly with tenant records. Not only does this accelerate cash flow, but it also enhances tenant satisfaction by offering convenience and eliminating manual steps in the rent collection process. Another key feature is the maintenance management with workflow automation. The platform simplifies service requests by allowing tenants to submit work orders directly through the portal, complete with notes and images. You can assign jobs to internal staff or preferred vendors, track progress, log materials used, and automate status updates to tenants. For recurring needs, like seasonal inspections or regular HVAC maintenance, you can schedule automated workflows. This delivers responsive, organized maintenance tracking that helps preserve property value and ensures tasks don't fall through the cracks. It also improves accountability and record keeping. Another key feature is the self-service portals for tenants and owners. Rent Manager offers customizable portals that give tenants 24/7 access to their accounts, payment history, lease documents, and communication logs. Property owners can log in to view unit performance, financial statements, tax documents, and maintenance updates. This reduces back-and-forth emails and phone calls while increasing transparency. This reduces workload on your team while keeping tenants and owners engaged and informed. It's also a key differentiator in competitive rental markets. Another key feature is the integrated marketing, screening, and leasing. From listing a vacancy to finalizing a lease, Rent Manager supports every phase of the tenant lifecycle. Listings can be syndicated to major ILSs, and applications are processed online with built-in screening services for background, credit, and eviction history. Lease templates can be customized and signed electronically through the system. This decreases vacancy time, improves tenant quality, and simplifies leasing compliance with fewer manual steps and faster turnaround times. So why is Rent Manager a great choice? Rent Manager is purpose-built for property professionals who want deep functionality without sacrificing flexibility. Its modular design lets you configure the platform based on your portfolio size, property type, and business structure. Whether you're a solo landlord managing a dozen doors or a large management company overseeing thousands of units, Rent Manager scales with you. The system integrates with a growing ecosystem of partners such as Zego, Rhino, and Lead Simple, so its open API allows even more customization, letting advanced users tailor rent management to their specific workflows. So basically, Rent Manager isn't just software, it's an operational foundation that modern property managers can rely on. By centralizing critical functions like accounting, leasing, maintenance, and communication, it transforms fragmented workflows into a cohesive, digital-first system. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Rent Manager and manage your properties with confidence. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical property management and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.